Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will create a 3D hover effect. So let's look at this. So when we hover this, it will animate. So let's jump into the VS Code editor, and I'm inside the VS Code editor. First create the index.html, close this, and now give it a title 3D hover effect. After that we need to style the background, so it will look like this. After that we need to give it heading 3D hover effect and style this heading. Give it some padding top 100 pixel and text dash align center, so it will center our text. So now create a div and give it style padding dash top 50 pixel, and inside this div we create another div with id is equal to tilt. So we need to target this div, that's why we give it an id of tilt. So let's style this div and now target this div, style for the tilt block, give it id tilt. Now we need to target this div, so display block height 200 pixel and width 300 pixel. Give it some background color, margin, and give it some translation, so it will look like this. So now adding image to the background. So background size 100 and background overpaid, so it will look like this. After that we need to hover, so tilt hover and poke shadow and give a pointer, so it will look like this. So now our styling is done. Now we need to write some JavaScript code so that it gives our 3D effect. So store the element in EL. First of all we need to target this, so tilt, it's stored in element EL. Now after that get the height and width of the element, height and width. So after that we need to add a listener for mouse event, which will trigger the function handle move. So this is the handle move. Now we need to define this function, handle move. So function handle move, store the x position, after that store the y position value, and now calculate the rotation. So this is the rotation, you can change the rotation value. So now calculate the x-axis rotation and generate the string for CSS transform property. Now after that we apply the calculated transformation. So after this function you need to write listener for mouse out, and after that you need to add the listener for mouse down event, and last thing add the listener for mouse up. So that's it. Now our 3D hover effect is ready. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.